Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing miniPaint, a browser-based image editor, on Windows. To begin, download the latest release of miniPaint from GitHub. Then download the latest LTS release of NodeJS. With both downloads completed, navigate to your Downloads directory and launch the NodeJS installer. Step through the installer, accepting all the defaults. Once the installation completes, right-click on the downloaded miniPaint zip archive and extract it to a folder. Rename the extracted folder miniPaint. Then cut the folder and place it in a location you'd like to run it from. I'll be using C program files in this example. Navigate inside the miniPaint folder in its new location. Then while holding the Shift key, right-click in the white space and select Open PowerShell window here. We'll install the Node.js package dependencies using npm install. Then we'll use npm run build to build miniPaint. Once the build process completes, we can use npm run server to start miniPaint. If prompted, select Allow to allow network traffic to reach the application. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host, :8080. You now have miniPaint running on your Windows device, but let's take it a step further and set it to start when Windows boots. Open the running terminal and press Ctrl+C to kill the miniPaint process. Open a text editor and paste the start command from the video description. Save the start command as minipaint.bat in the miniPaint directory. Click the Start menu and search for Task Scheduler, then launch Task Scheduler from the list. Select Task Scheduler Library, then right-click in the white space and select Create Basic Task. Enter a name and optionally a description for the task, then click Next. Select when the computer starts, then click Next. Select Start a Program, then click Next. Browse to or type the path to minipaint.bat, then click Next. Check the box to open the Properties dialog, then click Finish. Click the Change User or Group button, then type System in the box and click OK. Check the Run with Highest Privileges box, then click OK. Right-click on the new scheduled task and select Run to execute it. Navigate back to the web browser and refresh the miniPaint tab. The miniPaint process should now be running in the background from the scheduled task. Welcome to miniPaint, running on your Windows device.